G'day everyone, and welcome back to the Zoho Report. Today is the 18th of February 2026, and this is episode 5, where we continue to bring you the latest updates from across the Zoho ecosystem. In episode 3, we covered some of the standout AI improvements in WorkDrive 6.0, plus the new ability to add custom functions to workflows. This is quite a big release with heaps of new features, so it's definitely worth checking out the full article, but let me highlight 2 key improvements. First, you can now customize your file listing view by adding and removing metadata columns, so you can finally sort and organize files exactly how you want them. Second is the new embedded code builder. Previously, embedding WorkDrive content on external websites meant fiddling around with URL parameters to display it just right. Now you can design your embedded content and WorkDrive generates the code for you automatically. If your business deals in multiple currencies, you'll know the pain of out-of-date exchange rates. Previously, admins were required to manually update rates, and every record held onto whatever rate was in place the day it was created. Zoho has now addressed this with a significant enhancement. You can now set each currency to update automatically using open exchange rate data, which refreshes daily or every 30 minutes. At a record level, you can now grant permission to refresh rates on demand, or configure it to update automatically based on triggers. For example, you can configure the deals module to refresh the exchange rate the moment the deal moves to closed won, so that the final value always reflects the real-world exchange rate at close. Zoho Forms has added a dedicated yes/no field, and while it might sound like a simple addition, it's quite useful. Previously, collecting a simple binary response meant manually building a 2-option radio or pick list field. The new yes/no field comes pre-configured and ready to drop in for quick consents and approvals. What makes it a bit more flexible than it first appears is the styling options. Along with the customizable labels, you can also display it as the classic text buttons, thumbs up, thumbs down, or an icon pair of a tick and a cross. Zoho Forms has also added a GeoComplete field, a single line address input powered by either Zoho Maps or Google Maps. As a user types, the field auto-completes a full verified address in one go, removing the need for a separate street, city, state, and postcode field. It is best suited for quick registrations or any form where you don't need to have the individual address components. If you want to look at configuring Google Maps autocomplete, you can also check out our video linked in the description that we've done before. And that wraps up episode 5 of the Zoho Report. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe so we catch you on the next episode.